Okay, good evening, folks. It is the Sunday, the 27th of June 2010. Just going to do the weekly outlook here for the pound Swiss franc. Um, okay, basically looking at this pair, I'm kind of finding it hard at the moment to really sort of get any proper signals on this pair at the moment. It's just been pretty messy. You can see all these big wicks that we've got here. Lots of these weeks we've got a lot of big wicks, so the kind of daily action has been pretty random. Last week we did have a bounce from the TDST support level there at the 1.6340, and then we failed twice to stay above that 1.6541, which was the final bearish thrusts high. Friday saw another sort of bounce from a lower level there. So, like I said, it's been a bit undecided here for the last few weeks. This pair, basically since the election. So we kind of need something really to happen here. We tried to go higher here on the weekly, didn't break the upper back resistance, posted a 9 count sell setup, and then last week obviously we just failed at that 1.6583. I think it was 581 was as high as we got. And then obviously on the monthly failed that 7,000 level so far this month with another 3 days to go this week. So yeah, basically looking at it, it's looking pretty bearish. But I want to see a break of this 1.6048 level first before I think I would start to get involved here. It's looking kind of like the pound is going to see a bit of a bounce against the dollar, against the yen, possibly continue the strength against the euro. It's hard to say. It's not looking sort of bullish on any of the longer terms like the monthly and the weekly. Looking at sort of pound dollar and pound yen as well, it's not exactly looking bullish by any means, but we could see a wee bit of a bounce. And yeah, so I think I'd rather just wait to see any kind of weakness here down towards that 1.6048 to maybe get involved in a longer term short position here on this pair. So at the moment, that might not even happen sort of anytime soon with the fact that the pound might see a bit of a bounce. But yeah, we'll just wait and see if that'll happen. If not, we'll wait to see further developments on these longer term charts and see what we can do. Possibly the removal of that 1.6541 level might be worth having a go. Like I say, the strong pound coming through. Yeah, we remove that level to the close, a nice clean removal. Um, Still below the trend continuation point. It might be worth having a look at. That's about the only kind of long option we've got at the moment, and it's not really textbook, but we'll see. I'll have a look again once if we do remove that level. I'll take a good look at it. A bounce from the TDST support is not a bad thing. Still bullish on this bat. But like I say, it's not really textbook, and we've had a lot of long wicks here on the weekly. It's been a bit kind of random, and same really on the monthly. So not really looking like a great kind of tradable pair, this one at the moment, but we may have a couple of options. We'll look into this buy, and certainly if we get down and break that 1.6048, I'd be really interested in selling after we make some kind of bounce from there, the usual kind of 25% bounce. So yeah, so we'll just keep an eye on that and see how things go. Okay, cheers.